Hey everybody, it's cold outside. It's January. When it's cold, humidity goes way down, so that's when you break out your humidifiers. This is a Crane ultrasonic humidifier. I screwed up. I put it away with some water in it last winter, and most of the water dehydrated. What we're left with is this gross, crusty, calcified looking thing. So I'm going to show you really quick how to clean it up. Ideally, you put these things away dry with the case open, but I didn't do that. So right now I've taken it apart, taken the top off, and I've put some cleaning vinegar in there. This is cleaning vinegar, half a gallon. It's 6% acetic acid versus 5%. That 1% makes a difference. It's about 20 times the cleaning power of cooking vinegar. But I poured it in there, and you can see that this stuff is starting to soften right away. You can actually see the bubbles coming up off that as it's dissolved in that baked on stuff or that caked on stuff. I'm going to pour a little bit more in there to get it up to over this level, and then we'll work on this one. But it's really easy. You let the vinegar do the work. I just wanted the vinegar to get up over this little shelf to dissolve that stuff. And when you're done with this vinegar, you can reclaim it. You don't have to dump it right away. You can put it in a bowl or something to use it on the other part. So we're not going to have to go through a couple gallons of this to clean it out. But it's not terribly expensive anyway. I think this is under $2. Here's another tip that'll help you out a little bit. Grab an old toothbrush, one that you're not going to use ever again, and throw that in your cleaning kit. But just the soft bristles will help you work off some of the stuff that has been on there while it's been in storage. You can see that that has been submerged. And now I'm just going to rinse this in the sink. Start to finish, about 15 minutes from taking a totally disgusting ultrasonic humidifier and making it look like it just came out of the box from the store. So that's the bottom. The top, pretty much the same thing. Just get the vinegar on there, the cleaning vinegar, because it's so much more powerful than just regular vinegar. An extra toothbrush. And I'm going to fill this full of a water vinegar solution and let the inside, and then another rinse, and we're done. And your kid will breathe humid, safe, clean, moist air. Hey, that's it. I'll throw one more shot of this working at the end, but if you like my videos, hit subscribe and like. I put new ones on all the time. Thanks for watching. All said and done, about 15, maybe 20 minutes of work. See if this still works. Yep, putting on a real nice mist. All you need is some cleaning vinegar if you want to do it quickly. You can use regular vinegar, it's just not as potent, and an old toothbrush, a little elbow grease, and you have a brand new working humidifier. See ya!